Hello, today I'm reviewing this kitchen appliance sliders. If you want to prevent scratches and you want to move your appliances easy, then you'll definitely want to hear about them. I'll show you how to put it on your appliances and tell you everything you need to know. What I love about these sliders that it helps you to push, it helps you to drag or even rotate your appliances. And it can also withstand very heavy duty appliances like this KitchenAid. It's very heavy duty. It's very hard to lift it up, but with these appliances it's very easy to move. And I also love that these sliders are sturdy, they glide very smoothly, and they also does not scratch my countertop. It's very easy to install. You just need to clean the area where you would like to put it on. You can just peel this one part off, and it's very sticky, so you can just stick wherever you wish to put it on. What I love about the sliders is that they just blend in together with your appliances and you hardly even notice them. And they also optimize the space in your kitchen. Overall, if you're looking for a perfect solution to move your appliances easily on your countertop, then these sliders are exactly what you're looking for. They come in 3 different sizes and they will fit on any of your appliances perfect. Thanks for watching.